Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need 2 quick confirmations before installing: your Android version and which app is trying to install. First, open Settings and verify the app installer permission. Enable Install Unknown Apps for the file manager or browser you use. Next, open Google Play Store, go to Play Protect, and temporarily pause scanning. Once done, you reduce false blocking. Make sure the app source is trustworthy, because disabling protection increases risk, but it lets the installer proceed. Now proceed with the actual install. Start the APK from your file manager. If you get app not installed, it is often signature mismatch. Uninstall the existing app first, because upgrades require the same signing key. Also verify the APK integrity. Corruption will fail silently, so re-download over stable Wi-Fi and compare file size. Once you install, Android will prompt for permissions. Accept necessary ones. If you still fail, clear package installer cache and try again to eliminate installer app glitches. Finish by re-enabling Play Protect to restore normal security. Leave scanning on. If problems persist, use a DB install from a computer. This provides explicit error messages so you know if it is permission, signature, or manifest conflict. One troubleshooting tip: check Logcat or the DB error text. Common messages tell you whether to change the package name, uninstall an existing app, or rebuild with the correct signing key. Once resolved, you can run the app safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.